Hey everybody. Alright, so I decided to do a video just giving an update on the cars and also the Corvette. So we have the 72 280S Mercedes, of course the Lada, and the S13 240 SX, and of course the C5 Corvette. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna start with the Mercedes first. Alright, the car basically starts. The original engine that was in here had a little incident with some water getting in there, and it's like frozen rock solid, you know. Um, so what I ended up doing was I got an older engine. This was actually from a 250S. So this is a 2.5 liter engine, inline 6 instead of the 2.8. Like I said, starts and runs, however, smokes like crazy. I mean, pretty much, I think it's undrivable with the amount of smoke that comes out of this engine. So for now, I'm thinking of just ditching the Mercedes engine altogether, and probably just maybe try getting like a four-door Skyline RB20 or RB25 non-turbo, or even an engine from like a Cressida or a Mark II, maybe a 1JZ non-turbo, or even a 1G 2 liter inline 6 from the Cressida. I just need the car to be able to drive. So I'm still debating what engine to actually put in there. So this is pretty much stalled for the time being. Alright, the Lada now. Pretty much with this car, it starts. We're actually working on the brakes. Have the new drums, or brake shoes, I should say, and drums to put on the back. I don't know if I can get around here to show you, but pretty much these are the new master cylinders or brake cylinders, and so once we finish with that, I can probably tackle the fronts and sort out the clutch, and it should be able to drive. I'm kind of debating where to send the car to the bodywork, so that's still up in the air. But pretty much I'm waiting for some stuff to come from Russia. A distributor actually got some stuff from Rock Auto for Fiat, and it kind of worked, but I think I'm gonna try, and it doesn't really fit perfectly, but it got the car started, you know. So I'm actually gonna get the original stuff, maybe from Russia or Ukraine. I need to probably do a compression test on this engine too, because it starts, but it takes a little while, and I'm still deciding what to do with this actually. Either do I fix the engine that's in there and maybe try rebuilding it or something, keep it original, or do I put another motor in? Alright, so the trunk of the Lada now. Pretty much I have a few parts here that I keep, but this is the gas tank here. I'm actually going to try and take that out and drain it, because I think there's some old gas still in there. So I need a gas cap for it, so I actually took that off. I'm gonna go to the auto parts store and see if I can match a gas cap. If I can't, I'm just gonna probably have to buy one from eBay or something, you know. So yeah. Alright, today is kind of really a sunny day, so I'm trying not to stay out here too long. Okay, so pretty much SR20 in here. Had some detonation, kind of melted piston number 4. Pulled the engine out. Got forged pistons, rods, new bearings, everything to rebuild the engine. But the Corvette came up for sale, so I kind of put the 240 on hold so I could get the Corvette. That door is giving problems, so I have 2 doors from a 180 SX that were imported from Japan. Pretty much interior is pretty much complete. I have S14 seats, just needs cleaning up, and I have all of these pieces down here, like for underneath the steering wheel and right here with the fuse box. So the car just needs cleaning up and putting back together, and that should be it. Yeah, so I've pretty much had this car from 2006. So alright, so I'm underneath the Corvette. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is some grease right here from the, looks like the axle boot. If you can see here, but it's leaking, so that needs to be fixed. I need to redo this exhaust because it's just straight pipes from the stock cat back. I don't really like how it sounds, especially at idle, but yeah, that's a project for another time.